How to deposit money in Binance. Now, after you open your Binance and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on Add Fund. Now from here, tap on Deposit Crypto or Buy with EID. Now select your currency from here. For example, our currency is USD. Now, as you can see, buy with USD. Now from here, make sure to select the option of buying, not selling, because we want to deposit the money in Binance. Now enter how much you want to add. For example, I want to add 100 and select the crypto that you want to receive. For example, for me, I will receive the USDT. Now from here, select the payment method that you are willing to pay with. For example, if you use card, now tap on use card and tap on confirm. Now, after a few seconds, tap on add a new card. Now, as you can see here, fill all of the information of your credit card. Now, after you fill all the information, tap on confirm and you will be able to add your card and you will be able to buy the USDT on your balance or on your Binance, sorry. So this is how to deposit money in Binance. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.